this eye ain't all the way where it needs to be, but you know, we gonna get there when we get there.
Forward, best foot first just in case.
Hi guys, DalanaB here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come on here really quick and do a smoky, sultry, simple, easy halo eye. This is my attempt at a halo eye. I'm still learning and trying to perfect it, but I think I did pretty good this time. I think this would be really cute. Maybe not the bold lip, but the eye for a date night, or even the lip, a cute little date night or a bold date night, or if you just want to stand out in a room, girl, this is the look for you. In this tutorial, I did use the Perception palette, the ColourPop Time Shayla, and I'm really digging this palette. There's so many things you can do with it. You can do a nighttime look, a daytime look, and this look actually, with, if you were to pair it with like a nude lip, this could be a daytime look. I mean, I wear makeup all the time, so this would be a daytime look for me. For somebody else, it might be a little bit intimidating, so they might not want to do it, but either way, whatever floats your boat. So without further ado, I'm sitting up here rambling. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not clicked the bell to get notifications when I upload, because YouTube be tripping, go ahead and hit that bell as well so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video so you don't miss anything. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.